Hello mga ka-whiteboard! Tara pag-usapan natin si quadratic equation. Equation, so dapat may equal sign and meron din dapat terms sa left and right sides. Yung highest exponent ng variable dapat ay 2 and meron siyang standard form na sinusundan which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Kumbaga ito ay parang isang pattern wherein dapat yung pinakauna nating sinusulat is yung may x squared, pangalawa yung may x lang, at pangatlo yung walang x. Kasi single pa raw siya. Biro lang. And then equals 0. B and C can be 0 and or. Pwede yan, pareho. Si A lang ang hindi pwede maging 0. At kung negative man siya, multiply the entire equation by negative 1. Okay, isulat na natin to sa kanyang standard form. 3x squared, kakapi lang natin yan, minus x equals 4. So, ito yung problem. Kailangan natin mailipat si 4 dito. To do that, kailangan natin gamitin si subtraction property of equality. Magsasubtract tayo negative 4 on both sides. Ayun, so magsasubtract tayo ng negative 4 on both sides. Therefore, magiging 0 na to. Then, we'll just bring down that one. Ayan na yung standard form ng ating equation. Dahil nasa standard form na siya, madali na sa atin i-identify si A, si B, tsaka si C. Si A siya yung kasama ni x squared, B kasama ni x, C is yung constant.